Everyone, today we're going to do summary of simultaneous linear equation. I'm going to focus first on substitution and substitution first. Okay, so there's for substitution and elimination, there's 4 simple steps that you can follow if you can't remember the way to do it. All right, I have the question here. Okay, the question here. So let's start with substitution first. Okay, first thing first, you need to do preparation. Okay, so I will just pick one of the equation to do the preparation, but let me copy back equation 1 first. 8x plus 3y equals to negative 17. This one we're not going to touch it. What we're going to touch is this one, 7x minus 4y equals to 5. Okay, so I want to change the subject, means I want x to be solo, okay, to be on its own. So what do I do? Means everything that is not x, I need to push to the other side, to the right hand side. Okay, first thing I push over is the minus 4y. So 7x equals to 5 plus 4y. Okay, and then after that, the 7 also I need to push over. So what do I do? X equals to 5 plus 4y over 7. Now this one, we consider it as equation 2. Okay, next we need to combine it. How do we combine? We need to combine equation 2 and equation 1. So in substitution method, equation 2 we put inside equation 1 because already nicely do for you already. Okay, so what happens is 8, okay, 8, and then give me a second, 8, and then we have x, right? This part is the x, but so instead, since we are going to substitute x in this thing inside the x, okay, with this whole thing we're going to put a big bracket, and then we're going to put this one whole block inside here. Okay, so 5 plus 4y over 7 plus 3y equals to negative 17. Okay, so this is the combination part. Next, we need to solve this. Okay, so how do we solve it? Firstly, we want to get rid of the 7. How do we get rid of it? The whole thing we multiply by 7. Okay, so since this part, this is one thing altogether, okay, one item together, so I times 7 already. What remains is 8, 5 plus 4y plus, now 3y times 7 you get 21y, and then negative 17 times 7, what do you get? You get negative 119. Okay, and then you slowly solve this lah. So 40 plus 32y plus 21y equals to negative 119. So these two add together, I get 53y equals to 40. I bring over, means negative 119 minus 40, I get negative 159. So 53y equals to negative 159. Y equals to negative 159 divided by 53, I get negative 3. Okay, but it's not solved finish because we need to find x. Now we already have y, we need to find x. So what we do is y, we substitute inside the one that we already nicely made. Okay, so let's call it equation 2. I mean, it's equation 2. So meaning, if I have it here, okay, x equals to 5 plus 4. What is y? Negative 3. Negative 3 over 7. So I get 5 plus negative 12 over 7. Then going up, x equals to 5 minus 12, negative 7 over 7. X equals to negative 1. Okay, now this is substitution. The next video will be about elimination.